Little tip to anyone trying to play. Just try and stay out of this fucking rain. But if you have to, dip in to grab some shit that you need. Like that, another healing flask. Now I've got 5. I might be low level, but I've got plenty of shit. That's a shit one. I don't need that. Right, where am I going now? Sometimes you just have to chase things. For example, I've been chasing these damn health flasks. I just need them as much as possible because otherwise I'm gonna die. These guys are fighting our boss, so I'm gonna try and catch up to them. But goddamn, we are a little behind on the power scaling. Boss fight! Centipede demon! Or should I say fingerpede? Considering that's the lore behind it, I think. Fuck. Ew. I am bad at this. We did it, guys! Yeah! Sort of. Let's go. Kill! Kill! Okay, fuck this. Burn in the lava. You see that? Rather good. Huh. Dodge. 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 Fuck. I am dying, man. Wow. Come on, let's go. From the top. What? Okay, damn. This. Wow. It is getting difficult. But at least we got practically infinite revives. At least that's what it seems like. No! Wow! Yeah, Margit might be a little overtuned. But that's just my noob opinion. Because clearly my skills ain't transferring. What skills, am I right? Ooh, he's getting close. I've got to... Bang. Got him! Yes! Okay, still dying here, but I'm getting closer and closer every time. I'm getting better slowly. Okay, I'm gonna hold this. See what the fuck that does. Maybe magma sprint on him. Yes, thanks, Recluse. He is a Okay, we're just trading deaths at this point. Recluse is down. I'm gonna crawl to him. Yeah, get her first, obviously. No! We all died to Margit! Well, that's just what happens, I guess. Bad luck this time.